All right, what is going on, guys? It's a beautiful day today. Back here at the boy Benji's house. We're gonna be doing 4-bar map sensor today. Ain't that right, Ben?
4-bar map sensor.
Bruh. Straight down right there, you can see the map sensor right there on the throttle pipe. He's just taking off his intake and the tray so he has more access for those bolts. Out, bro. Now's a good time to give a little wipe down, get it clean for the new sensor to go right in there. So many features.
Alright guys, so basically the reason why I'm removing or replacing this sensor is because my tuners believe that it'll help with boost control and it'll also allow me to run higher boosts, which is definitely a plus. Alright guys, before I forget, we are replacing a 3-bar map with a 4-bar map, which is why it allows us to run more boosts and run more and better control.
Just press in, then just put your 2 bolts back in there, good to go. Connect your sensor, literally a 5-minute job, easy. All right guys, so did the install, pretty easy, 2 bolts, swapping the new sensor. He just uploaded his new map onto the car from his tuner, so we're gonna take it for a little test drive, see if it helps the issue. That pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more future videos. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.